So if you're wondering why I'm carrying a paddle and my head looks like a literal peacock, it's because I just woke up at 6:30 a.m. and I am on a little mission to rescue a bike. Because yesterday when I was at the lake, I saw a little bike in the water. It looked pretty nice. Not sure what brand it is. We're gonna have to get in to find out. But I figured I could head on down this morning and see if I can pull it out, which is why I got my surfboard here, which I'm gonna tell you about in a little bit. But yeah, the plan is to just paddle out and see if I can grab that thing out of the water. The only thing is there's quite a few rocks there, so we'll see if I can get in the water still. The thing about this surfboard is I don't actually know if it even floats, because I bought it last winter on Let Go. Actually, the dude wanted like 60 bucks. I shot him with a quick 30 and he said yes. So it's literally from the 1970s. It has a couple of holes. I patched them with some epoxy, but before we do anything else, let's see if this thing even floats. Okay, I mean it floats, but I'm not sure what I was expecting here. You know, it's a really small little surfboard from the 70s and it floats, but I'm basically halfway underwater. So I'm gonna take a look at the bike really quick and see if I can even paddle to it on this tiny thing. Hopefully it's still here. Okay, yeah, it's out there. Damn, I think it's sunk deeper. I don't even know if you guys can see that. There it is. Ooh, I might be getting in, yeah. That'll suck. It's looking nice out. Okay, so I actually found this thing right here, which is quite a bit bigger, so I'm gonna scoop that up real quick. Oh. Oh, fuck. Alright, it's right down there, but it is definitely a lot harder to reach than it was the other day. It sank deeper in, which sucks. So I'm gonna see if I can get it out. I'm gonna head back in and reevaluate. I just can't reach it. What can I say? I can't reach it. Okay, well that didn't work out. Honestly, I'm probably gonna need like a big ass hook or like a fishing rod or something and like hook it and reel it in. That's down there. I mean, I couldn't even touch it when I put my whole arm in. I'm gonna need backup is the point. Someone's gotta hook it right there on the paddleboard, come back in, and then the other person's gonna have to reel it in. All right, we pulled back up. I brought back up this time because it was just way too hard by myself to extract that bike. This time I got a little rig going. I got just a carabiner and some rope. So we're gonna actually try to dive down this time and hook it to the bike, and then I'll pull from shore. So we're prepping the dive gear. We're gonna get it this time. Hopefully we don't get busted because there is some full staff here now. That's why I went this morning, because no one could yell at me. But now there might be people who yell at us, so
we'll kick their ass.
Also, I can't goonch a paddleboard this time because I goonched a paddleboard last time. So we're gonna have to take the 1970s Let Go surfboard special.
Deluxe.
But, yeah. All right, dude's geared up. He's gonna, oh. All right, dude was struggling a bit, so we went ahead and goonched the paddleboard again.
Wasn't struggling.
Now we're just gonna, I'm gonna show him the spot, and then I'll head back over and we're gonna reel it in, so let's go. You're gonna need to like lift it up. I mean, I'm tugging on it, but I just feel a ton of tension. Where's the paddle? Okay. Got it.
Hey. I'm gonna head there.
Oh. Oh, it's leaking like rust juice. All right, it looks like it's a Bianchi bike. I don't know, I've never heard of that brand, but check that out. It says chromoly tubing, which I know from BMX. That's a really nice, really durable steel. So it's got a solid frame. The handlebars are fucked, and the chain and derailleur look fucked, covered in algae. It's pretty goonched. I guess it's been down there for a little longer than we thought. It's like leaking rust juice. Oh, wow, that is sick. All right, I'm gonna leave it here and go meet back up with him.
All right, guys, I just got out of the water.
I'm pretty shocked that we were able to get that out actually. It was stuck under a rock, the rope at first, so it seemed like it wasn't gonna come out. But we got it, as you can see.
And I kept getting tangled up in the two ropes.
Yeah.
So the swimming was a little awkward, but it wasn't too bad.
I've never heard of Bianchi, but it seems like a nice brand. Oh, and it's from Aaron One. That's a local outdoor shop.
For being underwater for a few days, it's like this is probably just rusty from like being out in the rain occasionally. But like the chain, there's like no rust.
There's definitely some algae on it, and there is also no wheel, but
yeah.
oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I guess we'll extract it out of here.
Oh, it's got a light on it.
Oh shit.
Didn't even see that. It probably doesn't work.
No, yeah, it looks pretty waterlogged.
Oh,
did it turn on?
I saw a flash of, unless it was the sun, I thought I saw like a flash of light. Yeah, it must have just been the sun.
I mean,
reflecting.
it's mostly just a frame, but if it's really a chromoly frame, that's pretty nice.
I mean, it's like an LED light.
Yeah, it's not a terrible bike. Like, how did it end up in here? Like,
Someone must have just thrown it in the water.
well, we got free bike. Free bike rescue. I guess we can try to see if we can put a wheel on it, fix it up. But if not, I guess we can always scrap it. It's some nice chromoly steel, so we'll see what happens. All right, so we got the bike out, but we're still at the lake. It's still a nice day. So you know what? We got paddle boards, we got a surfboard, and we even got a little dinky skimboard that I bought at Walgreens probably like 15 years ago. So we're just gonna shred on those. We'll fix the bike up in another video, but we're just gonna hit a quick session.
This crackhead just showed up.
Wait, what?
This crackhead just showed up on, what is that, a boogie board? That's what the kids are riding these days? And away he goes to find more crack.
We're gonna put the paddleboard back, and we got a bike to work on, so check that in the next video. We'll see if we can get that thing working, or maybe we'll just have to like sell it for scrap. I don't know. It's got a pretty nice frame, but hope you enjoyed that episode of Marl Bros.